What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So initially today we were supposed to pull Bobby's engine or complete drivetrain out of her new Evo 10. We have exactly 1 hour of shop time today before we fly out to TX2K. So of course that's not going to happen. I really wish it would have, but unfortunately we just leave too early in the day to make that happen. So what we're going to be doing is something fun. I'm excited for this. We're going to be putting new exhaust on the Evo 8, that boy right there. The car is currently straight piped. And it is very loud. It's obnoxious, it's annoying. So we ended up getting an STM catback, which I'm hyped for. I think it's going to sound pretty nice. Of course, Tomei is what the end goal was, but the wait time on Tomei was forever. So we ended up with the STM catback. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what is in the box. We got some hardware and the gaskets that we need. Ooh. Boy, this is nice. Very interested to see how this exhaust looks on the car. So here's like the mid-pipe section. Here's the muffler. That's the tip. Of course, we ordered it for the JDM bumper. Not all that big of a muffler, so I know it's gonna quiet it down a little bit, but most importantly, that car is so perfect, and we just have some janky, pretty much like a homemade exhaust. I mean, it's not that, it's pretty janky. You guys will see when I pull it off. Definitely not the quality that the car deserves. So this right here is the quality that the car deserves. So let's check out the exhaust we currently have. Complete straight pipe from the turbo back. Downpipe is nice. Downpipe is actually very nice. But from here all the way back isn't the highest of quality for this build. So let's go ahead and remove our Voltex diffuser off this thing, and we can go ahead and get the new exhaust on. Very excited for this. Nice little side-by-side, new STM versus the old straight pipe. Quality for a local muffler shop, but still not that quality. This exhaust is gorgeous. Brand new stainless systems, look so nice. Looks way better coming out the ass end over here. I honestly don't even want to run the diffuser now just because it's gonna cover this up. Can we all agree that this is exactly what the car needed? I think we can. Now it can look good all at once. If it doesn't sound good, I'm gonna take it off and throw it in the garbage. Oh boy. Literally perfect on this car. It was so loud and obnoxious before. I'm excited to go drive it because like mid-range before it was so raspy that it was like cringy to drive. It was embarrassing to drive. That's how annoying it was. That's a good sound. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the diffuser on while the car's still on the lift. And we can take this thing out and go for a nice little cruise and see what it sounds like. This is a big W for this car. Exactly, like the only thing that this car needed was exhaust, and now we got it. All right, let's get this thing wrapped up and go for a drive. Overall, much more comfortable for a, I guess you wouldn't really call this car a daily driver, but could be a daily driver now that we have a muffler on it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I will have this linked, this exact exhaust link down below. They make it for JDM and USDM bumper. Gonna wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.